How you guys doing? I do a lot of DIY things, so I figured why not start me a YouTube DIY page. So that is a part of what this is. And today I'm gonna show you guys how I built a patio sofa sectional with a glass table. And my wife first came to me and she said she wanted some patio furniture made of pallets. I laughed, thought it was funny. Wonder why would somebody want pallet furniture, but as I researched and looked into it, it turned out looking nice. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did it, and a lot of my videos I'll use the word simplified, and that's because I think a lot of stuff people make it to be rocket science and it's really not, and they make it harder than what it actually is. And the pallet idea I went with is kind of a simpler method. There was a few methods that I seen, which I'll take you guys and kind of show you guys the other methods I seen later on as I get into more details. But right now I'm going to show you guys how So the first thing I did was, of course, I found the pallet company that would even sell me the pallets. And when I went out and bought the pallets, you want to make sure you get the good sturdy kind. And I went for the, I don't know if you guys ever seen the blue pallets. That's what I went for. It's hard to really find those. End up finding some for a good price. And those are the pallets that I went with, the blue thick pallets, which they come in different sizes. Mine were 40 by 48. You know, find them in different sizes, and I think that's pretty much some of the more bigger ones. So we had to actually get our pillows custom made, which I'll tell you more about that later in the video. And a couple of things you want to remember when you're picking out your pallets. Make sure you get good pallets and get them all identical. Don't just make sure all the pallets are in good shape and identical, because you don't want different kinds of pallets, should I say, or pallets built different ways. And I'll explain to you more about that, why you want identical pallets later on in the video. And once you buy your pallets and different things like that, you come back home, get everything set up the way you want it to look before you do anything, because you want to make sure all your pallets lined up and everything looks good before you actually start sanding and painting and working on them, because you don't want to do all that work and then it comes out looking awkward or stuff doesn't align and it looks crazy. So lay everything out, make sure it's the look that you want and you have the right pallets to fit.